Hi, this is Sandy Eagon with Keller Williams Realty, and today I'm going to remind you about a service that I've been providing my friends and my clients and my neighbors, and that is Sandy's Tool Shed. If you are looking to buy a house right now, please click the box asking to see the area homes, and if you are looking to sell or thinking about it, please click the box asking for your home's value in today's market. Now back to Sandy's Tool Shed. If you are wrapping up the summertime and you're getting ready for fall, maybe what you're doing is some of those projects around the house. And so I want to remind you about what I can share with you. One of the things that we do is we provide pressure washers, carpet cleaners, extension ladders, things that you may use sometimes but not all the time and you don't necessarily want to buy. Just this last weekend, I was actually cleaning the area around my entry. That's one of the quickest ways that you can add a little bit of sense of calm and peace to your home and know that you're taking good care of it. If you need to go ahead and clean out those gutters, then we have extension ladders that will help with that. If you need to clean the sidewalks, the driveways, I've got a pressure washer for that, carpet cleaners, paint sprayer for the bigger jobs. Make sure you know how to use it. If you don't know how to use these things, or if you're not in a spot where you really want to get up into your top parts of your house, then go ahead, give me a call, and I've got some contractors and handymen that are really ready to come and help you and make your home a great place to come home to. So if you're looking to change your house into the place that feels good to come home to, give me a call for that. Otherwise, let me know how I can help you in the home you're in right now to make life better for you. Have an amazing day.